Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we painted the Twirlywoos and now it's time to wash our toys off. We're going to pour water all over Great Big Who, Toodaloo, Chickadee and Chick, and Peekaboo. It's going to be really hard getting these toys clean. It looks like we're going to have to do more than just pour water on them. Oh, look at the beautiful colors now. They're even more beautiful with the water. Where's Peekaboo? Poor Peekaboo. They're still covered in paint. We should use a toothbrush. That will scrub all the paint off so the Twirlywoos can see again. Sorry, Toodaloo. We're trying to get you clean. There, Toodaloo can see again. We're getting there. We've taken them out of the pool. And there are all sorts of colors on them. We'll have a little shower with the hose. A little bit more work with the toothbrush. With the hose. There, now they're starting to get more clean. That water must be cold. Brr. Let's put them in the pool for a final rinse. We'll fill it with fresh water. Don't forget Peekaboo. Nice clean water. We just have a little bit of paint left and we'll be all done. They're bobbing and swimming around. They're having lots of fun. Final brush. We take care of our toys, so we want to make sure we get them very clean. Time to dump the water out. They're all clean and dry. Thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we have a brand new Twirlywoos Dance Along musical Peekaboo with lots of fun sounds. Peekaboo is very soft, especially on his belly. He's got little bumps and lumps and big eyes, just like our little Peekaboo. Peekaboo! The Twirlywoos are joining us. Great Big Who, Toodaloo, Chickadee, Chick, and little Peekaboo. We're gonna watch Big Peekaboo dance. Push the button and spin in the box. Oh, don't get stuck. we better take Peekaboo out of the box. We're going to have to cut these strings with scissors, but only with the help of an adult. There's a spinning plate on the bottom of Peekaboo with little tiny wheels. That's how Peekaboo dances. Ready, set, go! Whoa! Peekaboo must be getting dizzy. One more time. Oh dear! Toodaloo, are you okay? Toodaloo! Let's put Peekaboo on the floor. Little puppy's wondering what's going on. Don't be scared, puppy. It's just spinning Peekaboo. Puppy's just not sure. Let's go outside with Peekaboo and spin in the grass. Oh, don't get stuck. There we go. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Twirlywoos are going to go plant a flower in the garden. All aboard the big red boat. Here we are, Twirlywoos, at the garden. Let's open up our flower seed and plant it. It's called a blooming flower, and it's going to be beautiful rainbow colors. There it is. Let's put it in the dirt. Okay, chickadee, you found the perfect planting spot. We'll put it into the dirt, just like so. Now we need to give our flower some water. Oh boy, Twirlywoos, look at our beautiful, pretty flower. It's all different colors. Very good job. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with the Twirlywoos at the Fisher-Price house. We have Great Big Who and Toodaloo. And we have this beautiful new background with flowers and butterflies. There are daisies and big sunflowers. Oh, and there's a buzzing bee pollinating a flower. We love the bees, and our earth needs the bees. So let's take care of our earth, tiny fans. Oh, where are Chickadee and Chick? They are upstairs playing in their room. Oh, look at the little glowworm. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. You push its tummy and its face glows. It's like a nightlight. I loved playing with my toys as a kid, and that's part of the reason why I started this channel. And I still have some of those toys because I took care of them, tiny fans. I even had a Rubik's Cube. It's important we take care of our toys so they last. Okay, let's work some magic. Abracadabra. And there is the first toy I want to share with you. This is called a keeper's swan. And I think I got her for Christmas one year. She opens up her wings after you put the heart-shaped key in, but I've lost the key. However, I still have the keeper's brush to brush her hair. And there's the little neck scarf. And there's also another little brush. I think this is from my little ponies. It's the shape of a bear. And her hair does need brushing. All right, let's share the second toy. Abracazam. Oh, this is a special toy, Tiny fans. This was my Smooshy. And it has an RR for Rascal Raccoon. And he's living in a hollow tree trunk. And his tail is quite poofy. Let's see if I can get through the hole and get the raccoon out. There we go. And he's a purple raccoon. And they are called smooshies because they squish into small spaces like his little home, the tree trunk or tree stump. There's a butterfly and not much room, is there? Okay, we're ready for the next toy. Oh, do you want to join them over here? There you go, Peekaboo. Hocus Pocus. Oh, this is a very special toy that I would sleep with. This is called a popple. And there's a little badge at the side that says Popples. Yellow fuzzy hair, 2 different colored ears. And this is white puffball. And a popple hides in a pocket. And then it pops out. And there's, oh, the fuzzy tail. It's like it lives in a little pocket. And I've had this for a very long time. And we can put the legs, the tail, and the arms back in the pocket. It's like a ball, a very soft ball. Now I have one more toy to show you. Oh, just wait, Peekaboo. We're almost finished. Let's use daisies and sunflowers. Ooh, and this is a bear. And these are called nosy bears because they have big noses. And this is popper popcorn. And you push the stomach of the bear and air goes into the nose and the popcorn goes flying into the popcorn container. Now, of course, it's not real popcorn, but I hope you enjoyed all of the toys that I've kept since I was a kid. And now it's playtime for the Twirlywoos. Down the slide. And if you love our videos, please hit the link below to subscribe. It's important to support our channel. Thank you and goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Chickadee and Chick are riding the school bus with Peekaboo. Hey, Peekaboo, what are you doing on the roof? As you know, it can be a bit hectic in the morning to get ready for the school bus. We're going to read one of our favorite pop-up books about getting ready for school and riding the bus. Chickadee and Chick safely cross the street in front of the bus. Oops, sorry, Kitty. The bus driver better put on the brakes so it doesn't roll forward. I hope the Twirlywoos can fit through the door. Oops. I think if they go sideways, they fit right in. Okay, they're off to school. Let's begin our story. It's called My Amazing Pop-Up School Bus Book. This is the school bus depot. It's where all of the buses park before they pick up the kids. The bus driver starts the engine of the school bus. The children are eating their breakfast. Quick, says Mom, don't miss the bus. The bus driver checks the warning lights. The bus is here. Hurry up, you two, says Mom. The bus is here. Miss Rabbit, the teacher, waits behind the school bus with the rest of the traffic. It's early. Hi, guys. That's our teacher. Bye, Mom. Good morning. The children stand in line waiting to get on the bus. The doors open. The children start to board the bus. We stopped. When the school bus stops, all the other traffic stops too. Stop sign. The school bus starts to move. Miss Rabbit is in a hurry, so she passes the bus. Miss Rabbit's car has broken down. How will she get to school on time? Oh no! Hiss. Traffic jam. The school bus moves slowly through the busy morning traffic. The bus driver sees Miss Rabbit at the side of the road, and he stops the bus. Hop on. Hurry up. The school bus arrives at the school just in time, and the children go into the school. Miss Rabbit gets to school on time too. Thanks for the lift, she says. You're welcome, Miss Rabbit, calls the bus driver as he drives away. Thank you. The bus driver saved the day. You're welcome. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with our Twirlywoos. There's Chickadee and Chick, and we're going to play with their favorite toy, the Play School Blocksters, shapes in animals. And speaking of animals, peekaboo, we're going to need to open up the case. So can you hop over and sit with the Twirlywoos? Thank you so much. The front of the case is green and the back is yellow. And I can hear some sounds. Oh, I better open it with the case flat so our shapes don't fall out. The first shape is a green triangle. And do you think it's a rooster or a chicken? Not quite sure. The next shape is a pink circle. Well, because it's 3D, it's called a cylinder. And it's a little sheep. Bah! Oh, ooh, this shape makes sounds. It's a yellow square. And it's a giraffe. A 3D square shape is called a cube. And now we have the round orange tiger. And he's got a rattle inside. Our next block is white with black stripes. What could it be? It's a zebra in the shape of a triangle. Ooh, ooh, ee, ee. It's a cute little monkey. He's red and yellow, and he's in a cube shape. And we have another cylinder, and I think it's a hippo. What do you think, Tiny fans? A blue hippo. Oh, look, spins. Oops, the lid landed on the Twirlywoos. Are you okay? Oh, I'm so sorry. It's Chick. Put you over there, and I'll be more careful next time. Okay, we only have 2 more blocks left, And here is the white and brown spotted cow. It looks like he's eating some hay. There's the udders. She's a girl. And our last block is a triangle, and it's a purple elephant. Oh, there is a mirror on the back. Peekaboo, have a look at yourself in the mirror. Peekaboo. And I hope you had fun learning shapes with our Play School Blocksters today. And we're not finished yet. We have a special surprise and a special guest. So let's put our blocks away and welcome the very important lady. Hello, very important lady. She has a special treat for the Twirlywoos. Look over in the grass. They're eggs, spotted eggs, blue, green, and yellow ones. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These aren't just ordinary eggs, they're chocolate eggs. And there are 6 characters, so each character gets 1 egg. Which I guess means there isn't any for me today, and that's okay. All right, Tiny fans, we played our little hide and seek game. Did you spot the miniature Dora dolls somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have another look. Hey, an egg for me. Thank you. Very important lady. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Twirlywoos toys are getting ready for Halloween, which means they bring out their magic pumpkin. Why is it magical? Let us show you. Let's call out the little marching gummy bears. Here they come now. There's a red one, a green one, and an orange one. And when we put one of the little gummy bears in our pumpkin, something magically, sorry little gummy bear, something magically happens to it. Let's put it in the pumpkin. And we wait a few seconds, and then something happened to the gummy bear. Look, it's gigantic. It grew and grew and grew into a big gummy bear. That's the size it was. And now this is how big it is. We'll just put that over by Great Big Who. Let's try it with the next gummy bear. We'll use the red one this time. Put it in our pumpkin. We just wait a few seconds, and then we lift it up and see what happened. I think it did the same thing. Another giant gummy bear. Yum! It's so stretchy and squishy and soft. Okay, let's show them one more green gummy bear. Goes into the pumpkin. And we wait a few seconds and lift our pumpkin up. And it should be gigantic. Yay! Oh, the poor gummy bear. Something happened to his face. It should really look like this one. Oh well, it'll still taste as good. Let's try one of our gummy bears out. My favorite flavor is orange. So I'm going to try the orange one. Let's see if I can rip a piece off. Oh, I'm just not strong enough. I'll just have a bite. And I took a little bite off his head. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It's Easter for the Twirlywoos, and they're outside searching for chocolate bunnies. Let's go over here. Toodaloo! Nothing in the ivy leaves. Chickadee thinks she spotted something. There's a chocolate bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Now Toodaloo and Chick are looking for a chocolate bunny. Let's go over to the fairy garden. Do you see any chocolate bunnies? Nope. There's a chocolate bunny. Hop, 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 hop. Now Chickadee and Chick are working together to find the last chocolate bunny. Are there any bunnies by the bunny plates? I don't think so. How about in the garden by the hens and chicks? There's our third chocolate bunny. It was sitting beside the mushroom. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, hop, hop. 3 chocolate bunnies, but guess what? They aren't chocolate. They are surprise containers. Let's see what's inside. Tiny Treasures Mini is opening them up. It's cupcakes. Little jelly candy cupcakes. A pink one and a white one. Let's see, are there more cupcakes in these chocolate bunnies? Chick is going to open this one. Two more cupcakes. How many cupcakes do we have now, Tiny fans? We have 4 cupcakes. But we still have one more chocolate bunny to open. This one's for Great Big Who and Toodaloo. Two more cupcakes. Oh, let's get that leaf off of there and put them all on the plate. How many cupcakes do we have now? 2, 4, 6. 6 cupcakes, all for the Twirlywoos to share. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today there is a parade on the streets in celebration of upcoming Thanksgiving. Oh, here comes the very important lady. She looks both ways before crossing the street. She is also joined by Peekaboo. Peekaboo looks both ways before crossing the street. I loved parades as a child. Sometimes the floats or cars would throw candy to the children. And there is Chick, looking both ways. Good job, Chick. Finally, Chick's sister, Chickadee. The parade is about to begin. The last car in the parade was the stop-go car, and it threw out candy to the Twirlywoos. Some Pez candy. We should put this in a Pez dispenser. There's enough for everyone, and the Twirlywoos are going to share with Peekaboo and the very important lady. We have our Olaf Pez dispenser, and all of the candies fit inside. Okay, Tiny fans, if you love our videos, please, it's important to subscribe so we can continue to grow. Please hit the link below to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to look at our Twirlywoos magazine. We got a free gift. We've got a chalkboard, chalk, and a duster. So we're going to open that up and see what it's all about. Here's our board. It looks like it's a little bit dirty, so we're just going to use our duster and we're going to clean it up. And this is our box of chalk, and there's the Twirlywoos. We have, oh dear, it's all in bits and pieces, but that's okay, we can still use it. Let's pour it out. Okay, so we've poured our chalk out. We've got a whole bunch of pieces. It's obviously broken, but that's okay, we can still use it. Oh, and look who's visiting us today. It's Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Are you looking at the chalk? Shall we pick a color? I'm going to choose pink today. We're going to write the word Twirlywoos. And it starts with the letter T. So we're going to do a big T. And then a W. I. R. L. Y. W. O. O. S. Twirlywoos. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.